What is up, my fellow dragons? This is
Blood Dragon.
and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Um, like I was saying in the last episode, I did get enough stuff to go feed those two Gordos, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head right off. Now, it's been a while since I last played. No, I last played this. It's been, I think, like 2 or 3 weeks. I think. I don't know. Hold up, I didn't get my phone. Alright, start the video. My gosh. Okay, so, anyways, we are gonna go feed those two Gordos that are over here. Wait, do we have our jetpack? Okay, yeah, we do. Okay. Like I said, it's been a while, so it's been a while since I've done this. Okay, so the last time, or I looked over at my videos. Oh, hey, look, there's more. The last time I looked at my videos, I saw where the two Gordos were, the two rock Gordos, to be specific. One was right here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be enough. Come on, there we go. Yes. There we go. There's a bunch of rock slimes. Ouch. I hurt. Also get money out of these. No, he thought on you. It's okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright. That's pretty good. So, like I said, I have been on this for a few minutes at least. And so now we are heading to the second rock Gordo. I also have... Ouch. Oh, there's more right there. I also have two puddle slimes, as you can see. Oh, and we're also gonna explore whatever the heck's up there, because last time I watched the video, there was something up there. And then I read up on the slimes, the puddle slimes. Only 4 of them can be in a habitat by themselves, or not by themselves, but only 4 all together is what I mean. There's a... Wait, did I just see a golden one? Did I just see a golden slime? No, I think I'm seeing stuff. I think I'm just seeing stuff. Yeah, that's... What the fuck? I really thought I saw a golden slime. Oh my god. I really thought I saw a golden slime there for a second. Must have been one of the pink ones. Oh, come on, get bigger, come on. Oh, I just had enough! I just had enough. No, I don't want the rock slime. Wow, I just had enough. That's crazy. Yeah, and I still don't have anything for the ouch. Oh my god. Alright, so I kept my promise from last episode. Oh shit. Wow, I suck. Okay, he died. I can't get water from there? Okay. I don't know if we came back here last time. I don't remember if we did or not. Cool. Oh, okay, so you can go up there, but I wanted to come over here. Ooh, look at this! Ooh. We're gonna have to give you some Oka-Okas. Okay. Alright. That's pretty cool. Hey, we can do this in this episode. We just need to get enough Oka-Okas. I'm gonna come up here. Oh look, there's another way. What is this? Oh, this is the place that I was talking about. Ooh, that's fucking good. Whee! Ouch. What's under here? Oh, I don't think that goes to anywhere. Oh, they all look so happy. Has to be. Whoa, something died here. No double dragging. What's over here? Ah! My friend told me to come this way. He said that there was. Is that a life pod? There's no way I can get over there. Not a life pod, a treasure pod. There's no way I can get over there. Ooh. Oh, cool. Oh, it's over there. I wonder what that way is. I'm gonna come down here and see what this is. What? I don't know if I can get down there. I don't know if I can get back up if I go down there or not. I don't know what that is. Get up there, get up there. Ah. Okay. Gotta get my stuff to come back. So I can come over there. Oh, there's a way over there. So. I love how the music changed. Woo! Go a little ways down here. What's this? Oh, nice little place. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, let's go back out. Let's go back. Wait, what? This is not the way we came from. What is this? Oh, oh, okay. Oh, okay, so it goes all the way around then. Hey, I get it now. Okay. Good thing my friend told me to come over here. Check this place out more. Whee! Okay, now time for this place. Oh. Oh, slime key. Ooh. Okay. 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 Yeah. I know I have a slime key right now, but I want to go see if there's other ones. Oh, way back home. Cool. Let me grab these real quick. Grab those. Grab those. Grab those. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Get some more okas. Well, basically vegetables, cause he'll eat any vegetable. So mostly okas. That's what we're gonna get next time. And that I want to see if there's anything over here. Wait, because I didn't. Did I already have a slime key? Or did he give me one? No, he gave me a teleporter. Let's see where this goes. The heck? What the hell? Oh, this is that. Oh, this is that island. Oh, cool. Oh, alright. It was here that I knew I had to leave once again. I had spent the entire day exploring, trying to find my way to this island, and though I spent the rest of the night walking along the shore in the soft glow of these fire flowers, I caught myself looking up again and again. Once more, I was looking into the stars, or to the stars. It's pretty cool. What fire flowers? Oh, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. I wonder what happened here. It looks like an inactive, like, lava place, or volcano place. What are those? Are these the crystal slimes? Crystal slimes! Holy fuck! Oh! These are the crystal slimes. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm just going around the place. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Holy fuck. Oh, one more. I get 6 every time. Oh my god. I got another one. Oh my god. They're so cute. Wait, do they hurt? Ow, yeah. They hurt. They hurt big time. Ooh, okay, okay. So I got a lot back at home. Why do I need them right now? Do you hurt if I touch you? Nope. Doesn't make any sense. They leave little crystals on the ground. Ow! Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm going back. Nope. There's no way I'm missing this chance to get these guys right now. I already have all the onions back at home. Ugh. And I have to wait to this. Alright. Okay, like I said, we're gonna go up there. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, we're gonna come up here, like I said. Just get more of these just in case. I'll pick it up. Okay, so we're gonna come up here. I don't know what this place is. Better hope I find like another. Oh! I don't know where I want to go. No, I don't have any boost. There's another golden. Okay, now I know I'm not. Ouch. I know I'm not going crazy. I once came here to collect crystals for a little project of mine. Was trapped here for nearly 2 days. Then, when those curious crystal slimes came rolling my way and started firing off those dangerous shards, I thought I was gonna kick the bucket. The crystals were the crystals were for a wind chime. I bet Thora still has it hanging from her porch. Worth it. Deal with it. What? Ugh. So I'm not going crazy. I actually did see one. Fuck. Ouch, ouch. What is this? Oh, that's just an odd onion. I thought it was like a new, a new vegetable or fruit. Just new food, new plant, whatever. Oh, nice. So I come back out here then. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're just gonna go back home. We already have what we need. We're going back home. Go home, go bed. That's a Wildcat reference. What was that? Oh, I think I'm already going crazy. Ah, stop it! Okay, so instead of going all the way back, you can just use this teleporter. Where does this lead us to? Oh, it leads us into this little tiny room. The cave system. Yep, there's Oka Oka's. Alright, so we're gonna save up for the next guy. And then I think I did the odd onions for. Oh, dang it, I forgot my thing's full. Okay, let me do this. Here it is, pond. Can I do anything to it? Nope. Insert. No, don't go out, don't go out, don't go out, don't go out. No, 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 no. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I forgot it. They're so cute. Okay, so now I got those guys. Oh, I need to combine these other guys though. Hold up. Okay, so I need to combine the crystal slimes with someone else. Something else. I just don't know what with though. What was I gonna do? Oh, that's right. You have a okay, yeah, you have a disposer. Disposer, what the heck? Okay, so I don't know what I wanna. So I have rad booms, tabby phosphors. What's what are they called? Phosphor tabbies, pink phosphors, and rocky tabby largos. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these guys by themselves until I encounter a new slime that um I wanna combine them with. So we're just gonna build a corral right now. Firewall, music box, airnet. We don't need a solar shield. Port collector and auto feeder. So no. Why would I do that? Okay, so before I started this video, I looked up on the encyclopedia or the Slimepedia, whatever, and they like odd onions. Well, I looked it up on Google to see what kind of slimes like the kind of slime like the odd onions, and it was the crystal slimes. So I had to do a little research before I actually got into the episode. Hey, okay, so we have some growing back. Um, so I said this episode, which we have a lot of time. We are going to hold on. Sorry, I was asking my friend. I was asking my friend if he's watched all of Dragon Ball Z yet. I was texting him. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. So we're gonna go try to get those two. Oh, hey, that's a lot of chickens. That's a lot of chickens. Okay, so I need to save the Oka Okas. We're going to try to get those two Largos, Gordos, I mean. You know what? We're gonna do it. Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. Wait, so... Oh hey, my health and my energy went up? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Okay, so it's a lot of freaking chickens. I just see two. That's a lot of freaking chickens. Oh my god. Too many in here. Too many, a pot and her. Take off all the clothes. I miss you. Oh, you guys don't have any more. Okay, at least have those for a little bit. Yeah, I know. Okay, so instead of y'all having okay, what the heck is that? The freaking feeder. Oh, I didn't put in a feeder. Ouch. Okay, so you guys gonna have the stony hens for now. Substitute that. So do we? Okay, we haven't opened up that place. I think we'll open up that place. No, whenever we run out of space. Is whenever I'll open up that place. I get it. Play space. Little wordplay there. Okay, so gonna put you in here, and just I'm gonna go around getting some, just getting some money for now. So whenever we come back, we can open up that other place. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do in this episode. I want to open up that place and get those two and get those two things. The two slimes. Gordos, sorry. See, I don't know. Y'all are not really worth that much, though. Mostly the rads and the booms. And I'll do that off. I'll do that off screen. All the plort gathering. That's just gonna take up too much time. Oh, here I'm saying that I was gonna get those 2 Gordos, and I just gave all the I gave the crystal slimes all my odd onions. Wow. Good thinking there, Blood Dragon. Good thinking there. Yeah, that was very, very smart. Oh, they're still in here. Okay, good. And we'll find some on the way. And there's still more right here. Okay, good. Can I get any more? Alright, we're gonna have to wait. More Oka Okas. Nope, there's nothing else. And I think this place is, yeah, okay, that's the other place. Bum, 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 bum. Then more come up. Yep, more's coming up. Alright, that's good. So, is there any? Okay, so do a little bit of farming for now. Then we're gonna go straight over there. These are fruits, so that's not gonna help my case with the other 2 guys. So, like I said, we're gonna open up this place. Like I said, it doesn't cost that much, so open that up. We're gonna come back later for that, and I think the fastest way to get over here, or to get over there, is over here. That's what I meant to say. I think it's like a two-way portal. I think it should be. Okay, yeah, good. That just takes a lot of. That was the wrong way. Okay, so let this kind of go up a little bit. We're gonna see if we can hop from there. Whoa! I just saw that. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see if we can try to get up here. I don't know how, but we'll try. So, glitch it. There we go. Yay! We did it! That was a big shortcut. That was a really big shortcut. Oh, what am I doing? He's over here. If I remember correctly. Ooh, air drive. I'm not gonna read that right now because I want to get this guy. I have a feeling his radiation's gonna get. Oh shoot. Yeah, it gets bigger. Oh god. I gotta get back. Oh my god, it reaches even further than that. Okay. F it. F it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Oh god. Okay. Never mind. Wait for the radiation level to go down. Waiting for the okay, there you go. There we go. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Ooh, key. That's another. Okay, okay, I can use those 2. God, they're everywhere. Oh, oh my God, they broke it. They broke it themselves. Okay, I'm getting out of there. I'm getting out of there. Okay, so number 1 done. Let's move on to number 2. God, I really hope I have enough. Oh, there's more. Oh, that's okay. Okay. Well, they act as vegetables, so. Anyways, it's still a win-win situation. Ouch. Okay, so I think we have to go all the way. Oh, there's some right here. You get extras, extras. Okay, this should be good for now. I hope so. Because how do I get back up again? From here. Okay. Watch out, those slimies. Oh, I almost went off the edge. Wasn't looking there for a second. Oh, there's another place over here. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but you know, I'll come back. It's like right there. No, stop it. Stop it. Oh god. He busted. What the heck? What? There's a hole in the middle. Get down there. Yeah. Oh, gotta go down. Whee! Oh, this is where we're already at. What's all this? Slime fossil? The heck? There's slime fossils? Okay, what's this other stuff? Petroleum jelly, or petroleum oil. This stuff, prehistoric. What's this? Oh, that's wax. Can be used to make great scented candles if you enjoy the smell of bee abdominal glands. Ugh. Guess poop. I hear. Okay, not gonna worry about that. So hey, we got. Oh god, they're up there. Hey, so like I said, we got 3 things done in this episode. That was really, really good. That was really good. Ouch. Okay, so now that I have 3, whoa, 3 keys. Okay. I'm gonna check the areas that I haven't opened. The areas, these areas. I think that's all the slimes. Oh, what the heck am I doing? I could have teleported back there. Um, I think that's all the slimes here. My friend gave me a location of like the different slimes. Gordos, sorry, the different Gordos that I'm supposed to get, and he said that there's um. Oh yeah, and he also, I mean, oh, what am I thinking? That's not the right freaking teleporter. I forgot. I don't know. I'm just not thinking right now. Oh, my friend told me that the new slimes, they're called saber slimes or tabber slimes or something like that. Saber slimes. They're supposed to represent something of like a saber tooth, which is not that cool because we already have slimes that look like they're cats, the tabby slimes. So having another slime like that is just, well, you know, what's the point in it? Look, see, you have some like this, and I guess they have like big teeth because you know saber-tooth tigers have big teeth. So that's kind of like I wanted like something like weird, like kind of like exotic. You know what I mean? We don't have any more new slimes for you. I don't know what to do with these things. I don't know what to do with them. Oh well, no. I'm just gonna put this there. I don't know what those are for, but I'm leaving them there. So yeah, okay, so yeah, yeah, these are the crystal ones. Um, these, I think, yeah, that's the new saber slimes. That's what he told me. I don't know how to get to it. He told me that he didn't know how to get to it either. I want to go in there, but I really don't. Not yet. Let's talk about more about these. He didn't tell me the rest of these, but he told me that these were quantum slimes. They like, they kind of like phase in and out, I think. But I begged him to tell me the names of the other ones, and he just said that I just have to find out. That I just have to find out. Oh, yeah. So he just told me I just have to find out about these. Oh yeah. He told me I think it was like part of like in the newest update. He didn't tell me, so he said these were honeys because I was right because I looked it up too. This he said these were hunters as well, hunter slimes, which I don't know what the heck those are. He wouldn't tell me, but yeah, he didn't tell me this one, or that one. So I don't know yet. Let's go to the overgrowth. Let's see what this place is over here. Woo! Okay. So what's this place? See, I don't know what this is too. Nice place. Wow. Okay, yeah. This was in the last episode. This was the teleporter to come over here, which that's on the other side, and that is the next part. This is the next part to it. So I rather, you know what? The docks. Ugh, I don't have enough. I'll unlock the docks some other time. So yeah, next episode, I really want to get, since I have keys, I might open up. I do want to open this place. I don't know what this place is, but you know what? Next episode, we'll open up this place. We'll open up this place where the honey slimes are. And he told me that the honey slimes were to the left, quantum slimes were to the right. So I rather go to the left first. I have 3 keys, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't really matter. Wait. If he told me the quantum slimes were to the right, oh, then that door that we went to, that he told me to come over here, then that must be to the quantum. Yeah, I want to use the quantums, but I rather let's just get the basic ones for now. So yeah, next episode we're gonna come into here. I don't know what else we are gonna do. I really don't know what else we're gonna do. Um, I don't remember if I've been to here or not. I don't remember if I was there or not. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in the next episode. Yeah, that's all we're gonna do for now. I don't know what else I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to try to get BioShock Infinite back. I got the game. I might upload it either the next day after this video or a few days after. I don't know. So yeah, that has been all for now. We've done a lot of progress. This has been
Blood Dragon.
signing off right now. Bye.